As you know, there's been a lot of talk in the office lately about the future. Revenues, cutbacks, and there's something I need to tell you. I'm voting Plaid. The only way we're going to get things going is by creating more jobs. And to do that, we've got to get our businesses growing. Plaid wants to cut business rates completely for small companies like ours and make sure that Welsh public contracts go to Welsh businesses. That policy alone would create 50,000 jobs. Plaid are serious when it comes to business because they know the success of our communities depends on us having a strong local economy. Plaid means business.
Have you ever thought about backing the Party of Wales? Why not make 2015 the year that you do it? Plaid Cymru, the only party standing up for Wales.